So in this video, we are going to talk about the vocabulary words for 2020. All of us thrive to keep ourselves updated with the coming technology and the advancing world. So why not with the vocabulary? Why? It is important for us to understand the vocabulary words because they help us to remain updated with what's going on in the world, which new words are coming up. Also, they help us to deliver our ideas effectively, both in writing and speaking. In this video, we'll be seeing first of all what those words are, then which part of speech they are in, then their meanings, their sentences, and the usage of theirs. Where can you use those words? Alright, so let's begin with the video. Okay, so let me tell you that all these words that we are going to do today are nouns. So let's move on to the first word. The very first word is carbon sink. Carbon sink is not something that you are going to find in the bathroom of yours, but it means that any natural environment's ability, for example, a forest, soil, plants, or any other ocean or any other natural environment's ability to absorb the carbon dioxide more than it releases. Sentence: trees are excellent source of carbon sinks because they absorb carbon dioxide and save the environment from getting further deteriorated. Alright, the next word is plastic footprint. Now you have been told time and again to reduce the carbon footprint of yours, but now with the climate getting damaged so much, there is an urgency to remove plastic footprint as well. So plastic footprint means the amount of plastic that we use and it is leading to the damage to the environment. And why the plastic is causing so much of problem? Because we just throw it after usage. We don't try even to recycle it. So a sentence for it could be, the best way to reduce the plastic footprint is to use reusable water bottles instead of the plastic bottles or the plastic straws. Alright. Now this calls for the word of 2019. Yes, climate emergency has been taken up as the word of 2019 by the Oxford Dictionary, and it is gaining huge popularity in 2020 as well. So what is climate emergency? See, earlier this word climate emergency was replaced with climate change. But now, because the condition of the climate is such that change and global warming, they feel to be lesser words. So climate change means that there is an urgency to protect the environment and the climate, and this problem needs to be solved. Alright, a sentence for it could be that climate emergency is not being addressed with urgency by the political parties and the necessary financial resources are not given to it, the amount of resources that they deserve. Alright, hence climate emergency is there. On number 4, the word is hothouse. Now hothouse primarily meant a greenhouse, a glass house. That means a place that requires the adequate temperature, the hot temperature for the plants to grow and nourish. It saved the plants from the cold weather. But now hothouse has taken some other form as well. Hothouse now means a place that provides rapid development of ideas, emotions and knowledge. That is a place where people can think of the ideas, they can do research. So these kind of ideas or these kind of places, where do you find? These kind of places we always find in the colleges, educational institutions and such other organizations. So an example for it could be in the hothouse atmosphere of this college, there are rapid developments and ample amount of opportunities for the students to undergo their research. Alright, so on number 5, the word is freegan. Now freegan is a portmanteau word. What's a portmanteau? So yes, this is the bonus tip for you all. Portmanteau is basically the blend of two words or blend of multiple words. It is basically the blend of or the combination of the parts of the words. For example, podcast. What is podcast now? It is the combination of iPod and broadcast. So one such portmanteau is gaining popularity, and that's freegan. Freegan is the combination of two words, that's free and vegan. I hope you know the meaning. Now, a person who's called freegan is the person who will take up the food or who will eat the food that's available for free. So, where can he find such food? A person who's freegan eats food for free that's normally thrown away or that would be thrown away. Now, see, people think that there's so much of food wastage in the world that a lot of food can be eaten for free. Now, a person who's freegan will normally find a food in the supermarket dumpster or in any garden or from any dustbin, right? So, freegan is a person who eats food that's normally thrown away. A sentence for it could be that being freegan would be too much for us, but what we can do? We can just try to remove or reduce the wastage of food. Alright? I hope all these words are helpful to you and you are going to use them in your vocabulary soon. Please let me know other such sentences that you are going to make from these vocabulary words. I'll be waiting for your replies. Do comment below. And if you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You know that you need to subscribe it to my channel as well by pressing the bell icon if you have not done it till now. Share it with your friends also because it's good to share the knowledge. Signing off, Harpreet.